In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a screenshot on your iPhone. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So with iOS 26, when you take a screenshot on your iPhone, you have the option to edit the picture first before you save it on your phone. So we could do a couple of things. The first one is that you can make the picture smaller, so you can literally drag the corners of the screen to fit better into the size that you want. You simply have to play around with the corners. You can make it smaller or bigger depending on what you need. Your other option is to use the little search icon that you see right here at the bottom right. Once you tap that, what's going to happen is that Google is automatically going to search for similar images. So you simply have to press on continue and accept the terms and conditions. And as you can see, in literally seconds, I was able to find that same sweater on H&M and Zara. So this is a great feature that I think Apple implemented on this new iOS. Another thing that you can do as well is to ask ChatGPT about the image or the screenshot that you just took. So you simply have to select ask, continue, and then you can just put whatever prompt that you need. Maybe if you have any questions about the screenshot, for example, where can I find a similar watch? So I'm going to use this prompt, I'm going to send it, and in just a few seconds, I'm going to have some answers from ChatGPT. And there you have it. ChatGPT literally gave me an answer inside of my screenshot without having to open any other apps. And now you know how to edit a screenshot using the new iOS 26. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye!